Ever looked at your Xfinity gateway and wondered why it's blinking like a distress signal? Those lights are actually a coded language telling you exactly what's happening with your hardware. Today, we're breaking down every color and flash pattern so you can stop guessing and start fixing. Let's get started. Number 1. Solid white. If you see a steady white light or a white light with a slight purple tint, that is the all-clear signal. It means your gateway is online, activated, and working exactly as it should. Number 2. Flashing white starting up. If the light is flashing white, the device is currently booting up or searching for a signal. You'll see this right after a power cycle or a factory reset. Give it about 10 to 15 minutes. If it flashes white indefinitely, check your coaxial cable connections. Number 3. Flashing blue, pairing mode. A flashing blue light means your gateway is in WPS, Wi-Fi protected setup, pairing mode. This happens after you press the WPS button on the back or front to connect a wireless device without typing a password. It will stop flashing once the device connects or the timer expires. Number 4. Flashing amber or orange firmware update. Don't pull the plug. A flashing amber light usually means the gateway is downloading a firmware update. This is a critical process for security and performance. Let it finish. Interrupted updates can sometimes brick the hardware. Number 5. Flashing green. This is one of the most common trouble lights. A flashing green light indicates that the gateway is trying to establish a connection with the Xfinity network, but hasn't stabilized yet. Check your cables. Ensure the coax is tight on both the wall outlet and the gateway. Splitters. If you're using a coax splitter, try bypassing it to see if the signal improves. Number 6. Solid red, hardware failure. A solid red light is the one you don't want to see. This typically indicates a major hardware error or a total loss of service. Try a power cycle unplug for 30 seconds, but if the red light persists, it's likely time to contact support for a replacement unit. Understanding these lights is the fastest way to troubleshoot your internet and TV. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.